Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. Today, we're taking a look at the innovative investment platform, M1 Finance, available at www.m1.com. M1 Finance empowers investors with a unique approach to building and managing their portfolios. Their platform blends the benefits of automated investing with the flexibility of customization, making it a compelling option for both beginners and seasoned investors alike. M1 Finance stands out with its pies investing system. Think of your investment portfolio as a pie, where each slice represents a specific holding, be it an individual stock or an ETF. You decide how big each slice of the pie should be, giving you granular control over your asset allocation. This method allows for a truly personalized investment strategy, reflecting your individual risk tolerance and financial goals. One of M1 Finance's key features is fractional share investing. This means you don't need a large sum of money to invest in companies with high share prices. You can buy fractions of shares, allowing you to diversify your portfolio across a wider range of assets even with a smaller initial investment. Furthermore, M1 Finance offers automatic rebalancing. As your investments grow and fluctuate, your portfolio might drift from your target asset allocation. M1 Finance automatically adjusts your holdings to maintain your desired proportions, keeping you on track with your investment strategy without requiring constant manual intervention. This set-it-and-forget-it aspect is particularly appealing for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to investing. Beyond the innovative pie-based investing system, M1 Finance also provides access to dynamic rebalancing and features designed to help minimize tax implications. Dynamic rebalancing optimizes your portfolio by directing new investments towards underweighted slices of your pie, enhancing the efficiency of your asset allocation strategy. The tax minimization tools help to mitigate the impact of taxes on your investment returns, maximizing your overall financial growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for greater control or a novice just beginning your investment journey, M1 Finance offers a user-friendly platform with a robust set of tools to support your financial aspirations. Visit www.m1.com today to learn more and explore how M1 Finance can help you achieve your investment goals. Explore their diverse range of investment options and discover the power of pie-based investing. Remember, this personalized approach allows you to tailor your investment strategy to your specific needs and risk preferences, empowering you to take control of your financial future. Take the first step towards building a brighter financial future with M1 Finance.